Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the great notification bell so that you never miss any of these amazing, wonderful recipes. So today guys, I am doing a chocolate brownie. This was new for me because I've never done it before. There were some pros and cons to this as well. I'll get into that at the end of the video. Until then, I'm going to put the recipe on the side of the screen as I always do. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so I just wanted to chime in real quick and tell you that I was using caramel on top of my brownies, mainly because I had some left and I didn't want to leave it in the cabinet, and I thought that would be a perfectly good use for it. You can use whatever nuts you want: walnuts, peanuts, pecans, almonds, cashews, pistachios. It's your brownie. You can do whatever you want to do with it. This is what I chose to do with mine. So just to let you guys know, this is absolutely optional. You don't have to do this. All right, guys, here you have it, the finished product, chocolate brownies. And let me just start right into the pros of this. It was a brownie. It was good. The caramel worked well. The walnuts worked well. So if you guys want to change that, or you don't want caramel, or you want a pecan, or any different nut, as I said earlier, you can definitely do that. Okay, and other than that, it was just a brownie. It was okay, and that sends me into the cons. So the recipe, it was spot on. This was my fault. I made the mistake of putting it in a flatter pan and then trying to overcook it to get edges. So if you want the edges with a soft brownie, please don't make the same mistake that I did. Put that in a brownie pan. Other than that, you know, it was a perfect recipe, spot on. I love it. I will be redeeming myself for my husband to try this again. They came out a little dry, which led us to eat very little of it, and I ended up tossing the rest. So, you guys, if you like this recipe and you decide to try it, tag me and let me know what you thought. In the meantime, I guess I gotta go. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. I hope you had a great week, and I'll talk to you guys later.